Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about serving the JSON data to the client. So go to the project and first of all remove all the text from here from the index.js file. Okay, and first of all require the HTTP package. So just write here where HTTP is equal to require HTTP. Alright. Now create the server. So just type here where server is equal to http dot create server, and inside the create server just pass here callback function. So type here function, and inside the function pass two parameter request and response. All right. Okay. Now response the header. So write header. So just type here res dot write head, and inside the write head just pass here 200, and second parameter content type. So just type here content type inside the curly bracket content dash type. Alright, and content type is application slash JSON. This is for the JSON file. Okay. Now create a object. So just write here where, let's say object name is student. Okay, inside the student object just create some elements. So first name, let's say name is Jennifer, email jennifer@gmail.com, phone, let's say phone number 123456789, age 25, sex female. Okay, let's say country USA. Alright, this is a student object and terminate with semicolon. Now just response this JSON. So just type right here res dot end, and inside this just pass here the student object. So just write here JSON dot stringify, and just pass here the object the student. All right. Now set the server port. So write here server dot deletion, and port number, let's say port number is 3000, and in last just print a message console.log server is running on localhost 3000. All right, now save the file, and now let's run. So go to the command prompt and just run the index file. So type here node space index.js. Now server is running on localhost 3000. So go to the browser and just open next tab and type here localhost 3000, and you can see here the JSON object. Okay, so in this way you can serve the JSON data to the client in nodejs. So that's all about serving JSON data. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, You can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.